Do you know what really happens inside your body when you have diabetes? Most people think it's just about eating too much sugar, but the truth is, it's much deeper than that. Inside your body, there is a hormone called insulin. Its job is simple, to help sugar or glucose enter your cells. Because glucose is your body's main source of energy. After you eat, your blood sugar rises. Your pancreas releases insulin to move that sugar into your cells. But in diabetes, this system stops working properly. In some people, the body doesn't produce enough insulin. In others, the body becomes resistant to it, meaning even if insulin is there, it doesn't work effectively. So what happens? The sugar stays in your bloodstream instead of entering your cells. Your blood sugar levels rise and your cells are left without energy. That's why some people with diabetes feel tired even if they eat a lot. But here's the dangerous part. Over time, high sugar levels damage your blood vessels. It affects your eyes, your kidneys, your nerves, and your heart. This is why diabetes is not just about sugar. It's about how your body handles energy. So what causes it? It can be a combination of things: genetics, unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, and long-term lifestyle habits. But here's the good news. It can be managed with proper diet, regular movement, and medication when needed. Because once you understand what's really happening inside your body, you can take control of it, not fear it.